Okay, huh? Yeah. So, okay, now I want to show you how do we do the recoding and also how to create a new variable when we have multiple items and you want to put them together as an index measure. So, okay, we're going to use 2006 GSS tabular data. And the three variables that we will use to create an index measure is AB defect, AB health, and AB any. And that's these three variables. Okay, so to do the compute function to transform all these three variables into one abortion index, the way we do is by using the transform function. You go to the menu and then choose transform. And then here you will have to recode into a different variable. There are two ways to do that. The first way is doing a recoding. Second way is doing the compute variable. So when we calculating three values together, we need to use a compute variable to start with. Compute? Yes. So we select the, under the transform function, select compute variable. And then on the left-hand side, you will have a target variable. Target variable means a new variable for this index measure that you're going to create. So we need to give them a name. That's a new name. So I'm going to name that abortion all. Comes out. So here, that's called that abortion all. And then at the bottom, you need to define you need to provide the description for this new target variable. So you click the type and label. So I'm going to label, basically is to provide a description for this new variable. So this is the abortion index for three variables. And this will be a numerical data because we're going to use this new variable for calculation. So it must be a numeric data. Then you click continue.
Real quick, so when you put a proportion next to variables, we didn't put nothing in the numeric, or did you click numeric, so we don't put nothing in the string?
No, no. Yeah, this is a numerical variable. Okay, and then after that, you can see that we have this abortion all equals to, we're going to put this A, B, C, this 1, 2, 3, three variables into the right-hand side of the equation. So I put down AB any plus AB defect plus AB health. So don't forget the plus sign because don't forget this is the equation. Okay, so basically you're doing the calculation, telling them that AB index is equals to the first plus the second one plus the third one. So you need to have a plus sign. And then after that, you can click OK. So on the output table, you will see a log shows up, tell you compute abortion all equals to AB any plus AB defect plus AB health. And then it should be done. So how do we know whether or not it's done correctly? Okay, you pull down the output folder, output file, and then you can take a look at the Excel spreadsheet. Under the variable view, you should see a new one. See, abortion all. It comes out. Then you move to the data view, and then scroll your Excel spreadsheet, this SPSS spreadsheet to the end, you should be able to see this new variable already been created. You can even verify and look at the first or second cases to see whether or not they calculated correctly. For example, the first one value is 3, which should be equals to the 3 variable. Okay, these 3, right? So that's a 3. So the first 5 cases should be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then 4, right? So if you take a look at, it shows on here, yes, it calculates correctly. Now, we already done the first stage, this first step. Now we need to redefine this new variable. So you go back to variable view, and then first of all, what we need to do is adjust the decimal point. So personally, I really think that having that decimal point, really annoying. So I like to set that into 0. Second, you need to define the value. Okay, now what we need to define the value is you have to click the value part and then to set up the value. And for this, I need to first explain to you about how to define this value before we move to this step.